Hey, what's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing strategy using TikTok. I'm literally going to show you my whole business, my whole system in this video. Really excited to bring this video to you guys. I think you're going to find a ton of value in this video. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to do affiliate marketing, how to start an online business, and of course, how to grow on YouTube. So if you guys want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how to start your business. Subscribe, guys. Hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss my videos when I release them. I'm coming out with literally the best content out there when it comes to affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So before we even get into everything, I just want to show you some of the numbers here, just for some proof here. So here's the emails I'm getting, guys. I'm literally getting these like on the daily. You can see here from multiple affiliate marketing programs. You got one here, you got one here, you got another one right here. You got literally 10 different types of income streams right here just on my emails that I'm actually just tracking. You can see from another one here from Clickfunnels, I've done almost $4,000 in the last month here. You can see with PayPal, I've done $750 here, $33.65. You can see $474. So you can see just with PayPal, and then with another program I promote here, $1,300 payout, $89, $1,400 payout. So the list goes on and on, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys so you know I do know what I'm talking about, not to brag, just to show that I do know what I'm talking about and my systems work, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the actual video, guys. So what I'm going to show you is my whole infrastructure, my system on how I actually make this work, okay? So I just want you guys to understand what I do is very, very simple, but it's not easy to get the system going, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing, okay? So I'm just going to show you the whole system here, okay? This is my $10,000 per month system. I have an opt-in page, which I'll show you what it is. I have an opt-in page here where I collect an email. I have a bridge page where it's just me talking on the opportunity, and then I have the actual sales page, okay? Now, the important part is I have the emails going back to the sales page. What this does is a lot of people, what they do wrong is they send people to an affiliate offer, and they don't have a way of following up with those people, okay? So it's really important that you understand how this is working, okay? And of course, we're gonna be talking about TikTok and affiliate marketing. Of course, you can use email, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But in this particular video, I'm gonna show you how I use TikTok to get over $10,000 worth of sales. I'm gonna show you my whole system, okay? Now let's go ahead and get started. So phase one, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do, okay? So phase one is we got to create our $10,000 per month system. A lot of my one-on-one students, one of the first questions I ask them is, if I were to send you a million traffic source, if I were to send you a million traffic visitors right now, would you be able to handle it? Would your system be able to make you money, follow up, and build your brand? And 99% of the time they say no. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I built my $10,000 per month system, okay? First thing, guys, is obviously you have to have a killer offer, something that is just going to blow the marketplace away. I'm just going to show you real quick what my offer is, just so you know, okay? So I offer something called a Legendary Marketer. What it is, it teaches people how to start an online business. This is always my #1 recommendation. If you need to learn the technical skills, the copywriting, how to put a funnel together, literally everything you need is in this program. That's why I promote it. This is the program that helped me leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. This is the program I promote, okay? So, if you are interested in the program itself, the link is always in the first link in the description below, okay? But anyways, you have to find a killer offer. This is the offer I'm promoting. This is the offer I'm going to show you. Now, if you need help finding an offer, you can always go to clickbank.com. And you can find an offer on here, okay? Now, I'm not going to show you how to do this. This is, I have plenty of videos on how to find an offer, but you can find an offer on clickbank.com. I always recommend, guys, promote an offer that you truly, truly believe in. I 100% believe in this offer right here. That's why I promote it, okay? So, find an offer you believe in. A lot of products on Clickbank, people are just trying to sell it. I don't like Clickbank, to be honest. I have a lot of videos on Clickbank because the reason being is anyone could just get on the site and sell it. Whereas this system, Legendary Marketer, it's a private network. You can't just go in here and start promoting it. You have to be accepted as an affiliate, okay? So that's why I like private affiliate programs better, okay? So I have a ton of videos on how to, find affiliate programs, guys, so you guys can take a look at that, okay? But step number 1 is find that killer offer, okay? Step number 2, guys, in this system, okay? And we're talking about this system right here. This is the $10,000 per month system, okay? Super simple, but there's a few things I just want you guys to understand, okay? Number 2 is you want to create an opt-in page, right? This is kind of the main, this is the main thing, guys. We have to create a page where we can collect an email, okay? This is my main page here for Legendary Marketer, okay? You can see here, learn exactly how you built a $10,000 per month business and left my $80,000 a year as an engineer within 9 months, okay? So actually, I need to put job in here. But basically, guys, with this opt-in page, the goal is to get an email, okay? So with this page, okay, guys, it's this page right here, okay? So we're sending traffic to that first page. That's the first page we're sending traffic to. Of course, we're doing traffic with TikTok on this particular video. But guys, what I'm trying to say is the first page they're going to see is that opt-in page, okay? So this page right here is basically this page, okay? I have 2 pages of an example for you guys, and I'm actually going to give you this page right here, okay? The second one here, this free training reveals a powerful viral system that generates 250 per day. So this one here actually has gotten me like a 40 to 50% opt-in rate, meaning if I send 100 people to this website, to this funnel, about 40% or 40 to 50 people will actually enter their email, okay? So guys, what I want you guys to understand is this page is not hard to make, but what I want you to do is keep it very simple. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm actually going to give you this page here, okay? I'm going to give it to you absolutely free, and it's going to be in the resources down below in the YouTube description, okay? So I'm going to give you guys this page for free, okay? So just so you guys know. Now, what you need to do now is what you need to do is from here, you want to send them to the affiliate offer, okay? Now, I'm going to show you something else, okay? So remember, go back to my system here. I'm going to give you this page here, the opt-in page. Now, what most people do is they send them straight to the offer, okay? From the, you get their email, then you send them to the offer. What I like to do is create a bridge page, okay? This bridges them from the traffic to the actual offer. And I'm going to show you what that means, okay? So I'm going to pull up, let me just pull up the website here with that exact, I'm going to do this one here, okay? So obviously this is the bridge page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually enter an email so I can go to the next page. Okay, remember this is the opt-in page. Now the next page is the bridge page. Okay, this is important, guys. Okay, with this bridge page, I'm literally letting them know what the offer is. Okay, I'm telling them, guys, thanks for entering your email. On the next page, I'm going to introduce you to my mentor, David Sharp, and that's basically the program I promote, right? So Legendary Marketer, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. What I'm trying to say is you need to create a bridge from the opt-in page to the offer. This is a huge stepping stone. This is what helped me get to the $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, this is huge. And then from here, you can literally send them to the offer. Okay, from here you can send them to the actual offer, where then they see the sales page and they can buy if they want. Okay, very, very important that you understand this. Okay, now I'm going to go back here, and so that's the $10,000 per month system. This is the system you need to build before you even find an offer. Okay, now from the bridge page, you can send them straight to the offer, whether it's a Clickbank offer, whether it's your own offer, whatever it is. If you do want to promote the offer I'm promoting, guys, you have to go through the challenge. You have to get accepted. You have to talk to the coach, advisor, and you can then promote it. But you have to go through the challenge before you do that. So if you do want to promote the offer I'm promoting, which is an amazing offer, by the way, you can click the first link in the description. You can go through the challenge yourself, okay? Anyways, that's not what the video is about. Okay, so next thing, guys, is step number 3 in our phase 1 in creating our $10,000 system, okay? This is very important, okay? Now, I want to start building out your email follow-up, okay? So you can see in here, guys, I have a ton of emails, okay? This is the secret sauce here, guys. This is what is going to make you the money, okay? So what's cool about this is you can see I have emails going, like I think past 60 days, guys. I have emails going past 60 days, which is insane, right? But you can see here that, right when they enter my email list, I'm going to go back to my diagram here. Right when they enter my email list on the opt-in page, okay? Once they enter in here, then, then my email follow-up is following up with them every single day, okay? So you can see here that most people won't buy on the first day, okay? So you can see here that I have emails going back to the offer for the next 60 days. Now, of course, I don't have it always going back to the offer because I don't want to just send offer. If you notice here, a lot of these videos are going back to my YouTube videos where I'm providing them a ton of free value. As you guys know, on my YouTube channel, all I give you guys is free value. The only thing that supports me, guys, is of course if you buy an affiliate product from me, if you like my video, subscribe, comment down below. That's literally all I ask for, guys, for this free content, okay? So please, I appreciate that if you comment below, share this video if it's helpful, okay? Now let's move on, guys. Now that we created our killer emails, or we have a killer offer, we have an opt-in page, we have our system set up, okay? Now, going back to the question I asked my clients, okay? I asked them, now are you ready for your 1 million people, okay? If I were to send you 1 million visitors right now, would you be ready to get that traffic, okay? Now, would it build your brand? Would it follow up with different offers, stuff like that? So you want to make sure your email sequences is set up. Obviously, this takes time, but, if you're doing an affiliate offer, you can typically grab the emails they give you and copy and paste them, okay? I like to write my own emails myself, but I know when you're just getting started, you just want to get something going, and I totally understand that, okay? All right. So now that we have our system set up, now we go to phase number 2, okay? Phase number 2, we're going to be talking about, now we're just sending massive traffic, okay? So all we're doing now, guys, is basically we're sending traffic from TikTok to our opt-in page, okay? So if we go back to our diagram here, remember, we're getting traffic to our affiliate, we're getting traffic to our opt-in page where then we send them to an offer, okay? Very, very simple, guys, super simple. Of course, we're talking about TikTok now, so we're going to talk about how we're using TikTok to do this, okay? So phase 2, send massive traffic, okay? Before we do that, we want to create a TikTok account, of course, with a powerful bio, okay? So you want to set up your bio for success. A lot of people will go to your bio before they even, before they click a link, before they go to the website you're sending them to, stuff like that, okay? So what I'm doing here, guys, is I want to answer 3 main questions: who I am, what I do, and why they should follow me, okay? So I say 6-figure affiliate marketer, helping you leave the 9-to-5 and then start here, okay? So very, very simple. It's straight to the point. I'm a YouTuber, and then I have a link down below, which you can't see in the screenshot here. But that's how my TikTok looks, okay? You can see my actual TikTok account looks like this, okay? Very, very powerful because a lot of people will go to your TikTok account and they'll see all this stuff here, okay? You'll see your profile, okay? So now that your profile is set up correctly, guys, now we want to, right away, guys, if you're brand new at this, okay, if you've never created a TikTok account, I want you guys to literally create 20 to 30 videos that first day, okay? The first day, I want you to create 20 to 30 videos, and this is going to spike your traffic. I tested this out, guys. I literally tested this out. I did this, I think it was 2 days ago. I did all these videos. You can see I was wearing the same shirt, okay? So you can see red. I was wearing the same shirt. I literally posted like 20 videos that same day, guys, and you can see here, 38,000 views here, 10,000 views here, 1,000 views here. You can see I'm getting a ton of views. Not only views, guys, but I'm getting a ton of traffic. I'm going to show you how to do it with a bio link and without a bio link, okay? So I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing here, okay? Now, so the first day, if you've been on TikTok for a few months, or if you've been on TikTok for, this is your first day, this is what I'm doing. And I did this because I created 2 profiles, okay? I created another profile just to test this out, and this works, guys, okay? Now, what's important is when we create our videos, you want to create a call to action, okay? This is probably the most important part. A lot of people create content, but with no call to action, okay? So what we want to do, guys, is I'm going to go back here to my TikTok, and I'm going to show you some of the calls to actions that I have. Now, I did two different calls to action just to prove that you don't need a link in your bio to get traffic, okay? So I'm going to show you this real quick, okay? I'm going to turn up my sound. Hopefully you can hear it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I want you guys to see this here, okay? I didn't say click the link in my bio. I said comment mentor if you need help starting an online business from the ground up, okay, guys? So now that people are doing that, obviously you can see all the comments in here. They're saying mentor, mentor, mentor. So I have a link in my bio, but I wanted to prove to you that you do not need a link in your bio to get people to follow, go to a certain page, right? So what I do here is I'm like, hey, so there's two options. Go to my Instagram and send me a DM with any questions you have. From there, you can send them the link to your opt-in page or click the link in my bio. Of course, you know, if you don't have a link, then just don't say that, okay? So there's another option. That's one way you can do it. Now I'm going to show you another way, okay? And guys, I'm literally trying to crush all your false beliefs on TikTok, okay? Because a lot of people say I don't have a link in my bio. I'm literally doing this without a link, okay? And I'm going to show you this, another one right here. Okay, so this one is just, it's going to another program I promote. It's actually a free YouTube blueprint that I'm giving away for free, actually. But you can see here that I'm going to get how I'm giving it away for free, okay?
YouTube channel, go from nothing to hundreds of thousands of views. I'm giving you my whole blueprint for free. Go to this website, bit.ly.
Right there, guys. So I made a bit.ly to the website, okay? If you guys don't know what bit.ly is, okay? So, for example, I'm going to go back to the main page I'm promoting. Remember, it's, let me go back here. It's this page right here, right? So this is the opt-in page. So what I do, guys, is I create a bit.ly account, and this is absolutely free, guys. And what this does is it shortens the link, so it's super easy for you to for people to follow it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to it right here. So my bit.ly for this particular one is the one for the YouTube is bit.ly /free YT blue. Okay, you can see 74 people visited, and this isn't even on my bio, guys. That's powerful. Very, very powerful, okay? So I want you guys to understand you don't need a link in your bio, okay? So you can see here, get it here, because I'm making it very simple for the user. And the people that actually type in this stuff, it's actually even more powerful because they actually stopped, they went to their web browser and they typed it in, okay? So you can see here.
/free YT blue, enter your email here, and you'll have access to my complete blueprint.
Okay, I'm gonna give you one more example here. Let's see. I think it's this one here.
$1,000 per day like this. You can see there's my name right there, Jay Montoya. And this is just from one income stream. I have 15 total at the moment. I want to teach you how to do this for only $2. Go to that website, bit.ly/.
Okay, guys, so there's another link that I did, okay? bit.ly/fatchecks, super easy to remember. So, guys, I'm making it super easy for the user, and that's it. It's very simple. You're sending traffic to a landing page where you're then following up. That's my $10,000 per month system. It's literally everything, guys. Everything is right there. That's all I do, okay? And of course, I drive traffic from YouTube. YouTube's my main traffic source. That is my, that's how I make even more money. But what I'm saying is you can start with TikTok because you're getting faster traffic, okay? Now, of course, I have a ton of videos on the TikTok algorithm if you want to know more on how it works. Guys, I have how to get your first 1,000 followers on TikTok fast, how to get, TikTok monetization secrets, TikTok algorithm. I have a ton of videos on how the algorithm works. So take a look at those ones, guys. But that's literally all I do. That's my $10,000 per month system. And I want you guys to do it. I want you guys to get started with it. If you guys need help with anything, please reach out to me. If you want to get started with my #1 recommended program on how to make money online, how to start your online business, click the first link in the description below. That's the #1 program I promote. That's the program I go through. I'm in contact with the actual CEO and owner, 9-figure owner, David Sharp. He's an amazing guy. He has a amazing program, guys. That's why I promote it. So if you guys want to check that out, it's the first link in the description below. I'm also going to link the funnel that I'm giving you guys right here. I'm going to give you this funnel for you guys so you guys can get started, stuff like that, okay? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. I hope that everything made sense. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Share this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys. And if you have any questions at all, just let me know, guys. You guys have a blessed day.